There is a moment that arrives in every life when the heart grows too tired to keep pretending, not because it has lost everything, but because it has discovered that nothing in this world was ever meant to carry the weight of forever. Every sunrise convinces us that we have another chance to control life. Every sunset quietly reminds us that we never did. We plan, we chase, we worry, we hold on, as if tomorrow signed a promise with our name. Yet the next breath has always belonged to Allah. Perhaps the greatest illusion we ever believed was that peace would arrive after we finally collected enough success, enough money, enough love, enough certainty. But look closely at the world. The richest still search for peace. The strongest still fear weakness. The most admired still fight invisible battles, because the hunger of the soul has never been satisfied by the things of this world. It only becomes quiet when it remembers the one who created it. There are prayers you've already forgotten making. There are tears you've forgotten crying. There are nights you believed nobody noticed. Yet nothing ever escaped Allah's knowledge. Not one heartbeat, not one silent fear, not one silent fear, not one whispered. Yeah, Allah spoken only inside your chest. Nothing disappears before the one who created memory itself. Sometimes Allah doesn't immediately remove the storm. Instead, He builds a heart that the storm can no longer break. And perhaps that miracle is greater because a changed circumstance can give temporary relief. But a changed heart can carry peace through circumstances that never change. You have spent years trying to predict tomorrow. Allah has spent every moment inviting you to trust Him today. One path creates anxiety, the other creates surrender. Only one of them brings peace. Think about every door that closed, every plan that failed, every goodbye you never expected. If you had received everything you once begged for, would you still be the person you are today? Or would you have wandered even further from the one who has never stopped calling you back? Not every unanswered prayer is a delay. Some are acts of mercy, wearing the disguise of disappointment. One day, everything you own, everything people say about you, will become history. But only one thing will remain: the state of your heart when it meets Allah. That is the only success death cannot erase. So tonight, before asking Allah to change your life, ask Him to change your heart. Because when the heart changes, fear loses control, pride falls silent. The world loses its hold, and peace begins to breathe again. If this reminder reached you, don't let it end here. Carry it into your Sajdah, into your decisions, into your uncertainty. Guidance is not in hearing once, but in returning again and again to Allah. The world teaches you to chase what fades. Allah calls you to hold on to what never fades, and every heart that returns to Him finds where it always belonged. If this touched your heart, comment, Ya Allah. and share it with someone who needs this reminder.